try to interview a student who knows the importance and uses of computer. So, come on, join us. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
I know that you are using computer. And being user of computer, do you undergo in studying computer lessons?
Yes.
In what way?
Nowadays, being a third-year student here in Ondaga National High School, we start to undergo computer lessons and its usage.
Being user of computer, do you know the importance of computer in your life?
Not really.
Thank you, ma'am, for the time that you give it to us. So, goodbye and interviewing a student who will try to interview 8 teachers who has a background knowledge about computer. So, come on. Excuse me, teachers. Can I ask you a few questions?
About what? Yes, sure.
About computer. What about the computer? Being a teacher, I know that you have a background knowledge about computers. For you, what is the importance of computers in our daily lives? Being a teacher, what is the importance of computer?
So, as a teacher or as an intern of Ondaga National High School, so computer is very vital for us or for two of us because it will help us to cope up with the advancement of ICT because nowadays that computer is now on the air.
Oh,
Okay?
it's in the air. Computer is in the air. Hindi kasi, in terms of teaching, yun nga, instead of writing everything on a Manila paper or on cartolina, so you can just easily make a presentation, let your students depend on it. Tapos, we can have both things. So when there are difficult words to understand, so instead of tying yourself in the pages of this book, instead you can just easily go on the computer and find an answer in it.
And also it increases the productivity of teachers and also it can help us in our daily lives, like for example, surfing and also encoding the grades of the student and
Tama. Kasi in computing the grades of students, we can use Excel. So instead of manual calculations through the use of calculator, so you can easily use Excel. We can use the stored formula in Excel and you can just press it once and then press go. Everything is in order.
so it gives us opportunity to teach in other ways, not only using these books but also ICT as part of our daily lives as a teachers.
So, do it have effect for you as a teacher? Do it have effect of computer learning? Do it have effect in your teaching career?
Yes, of course. Somehow, it improves the teaching career of the teacher, knowing that he knows every modern innovation that is now coming. So especially, he can share or she can share her knowledge to the student. So information can be easily disseminated to her student. When he has or she has enough knowledge or sufficient knowledge about ICT or how to use a computer, like that.
Thank you for the time that you've given to us to interview a teachers like you.
And now, we are going to interview a student who knows the importance of computer-aided lesson and its advantages. Let's go. Excuse me, can I ask some questions?
Yes, of course.
I know that you are using computer. So, for you, what is the importance of computer-aided lessons and advantages in your studying?
We all know that computers are very useful to all students and teachers in every school because it helps their work more easier in every aspect, such as making projects, reports, or searching for assignments. And we know that computers are well known for its best basic information in every question in our mind instead of searching different books for the answers. And in terms of computer-aided lessons, there are so many advantages. Like, instead of using different kinds of visual aids like Manila paper, cartolina, and others, we just sit beside the computer, and by the help of projector, we just sit and relax, and we will successfully deliver or successfully depend our project like PowerPoint and others.
Okay, thank you to your time for us.